Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today, do you guys notice anything missing in this room? We have no sofa, so I decided to get rid of the old sofa that was in here and make a new one. So let's go ahead and make a sofa today. Alright guys, so to start the build for the sofa, I'm going to be using cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the dimensions out pretty much for the seat area of the sofa. So for the seat area of the sofa, so the top part is going to be 11 inches by 4 1/4, and then I'm cutting two pieces with that same length so they can be even with each other. And for the sides, for the base of the sofa, so the strip going across is going to be 2 1/8, and the length is going to be the same. It's going to be 11 1/4 inches. So now I'm going to go ahead and just take my bottom piece right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue the two sides like this onto the cardboard, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my other piece that's the same size as my bottom and hot glue it to the top. Alright guys, so I made the base for my sofa. It's pretty big, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue the sides of the sofa is where the opening is here. And for the sides of the sofa, I'm going to measure out cardboard. It measures to 4 1/2 inches by 4 1/2 inches, so all the sides are even. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take the side and go ahead and glue it right here to the side of the cardboard, just to make the form for the armrest. And I'm going to do the same on the opposite side for another armrest. Alright, so I glued the sides of the sofa. This is one side right here, which is the armrest, and then this is the other side of the armrest. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut another piece that's going to be the same length as the top part for my armrest. So before I do that, I want to glue some fabric that I have, and I have this gray fabric that I want to glue around the front of the sofa, just gluing the part that's going to be visible. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the piece that's going to be on the opposite side of the armrest. Bottom of the sofa, so now I'm adding the top part, which is 7 1/4, and then it goes up about 4 1/4, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue this base to the back. Leave about 0.75 inches out from the edge, and then I'm gonna add a back as well and a top. Okay, so now that we have the sofa, I do want to make a leather pillow. So I have this faux leather fabric that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. So pretty much I take the raw side of the faux leather and I put 4 post-it notes to measure out the squares for the sofa for the pillows. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out these squares for the pillows. So we have our 4 squares, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the post-it notes off. And these are going to be no-sew pillows because I don't want to sew them. I want them to be no-sew. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my hot glue, and I'm going to go ahead and hot glue each corner, but leave one side unglued so we can stuff the pillows once I flip this side over to meet the other end. Okay, so now I have my pillow hot glued, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this part right here with some fluff that I have, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with the fluff. And whatever part I missed with the glue, I'll just get it again once I seal the pillow. Next, I'm just stuffing it with the fluff. So I want it to be really, really full. So now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue this part right here and do the same to this pillow as well. Alright, so this is what my sofa is looking like once I built it. I added these wood blocks to the bottom that I got from Dollar Tree. This is in the craft section. It makes great feet for sofas, and I'm so in love. I came a long way from my first sofa. I'll put a picture of it in the corner screen if I do find a picture of how it was looking. It was a sofa that I put here temporarily for fall, so I'm glad that I was able to upgrade it with a new sofa now that I'm more experienced with my crafting. And also I did have a little piece from that sofa left over because I couldn't completely throw it out, so I took the sectional part from that sofa and covered it with the same fabric on the outside, and I just put some cubes at the bottom so the dolls can have a footrest. So now let's go ahead and decorate the couch. First, to decorate the couch, I'm gonna add this throw to the couch. I love throws. I feel like it gives it that comfy home vibe. So next, let's add some pillows. So I'm gonna add this pillow right here to this corner, and then I'm gonna add another pillow to the opposite corner right here, and we're gonna go ahead and add our leather pillows. So these are leather pillows. They came out so cute. I'm always inspired by Pinterest, so I did get this idea from Pinterest. So it's super cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the other leather pillow right here, and it's a no-sew idea. If you guys like leather furniture, this is a really cute idea, especially for fall. I think it's really cute. And then for the middle, I'm going to add this stripe one that I like a lot as well. I use it a lot in all my doll dioramas. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys make doll sofas, and if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I love communicating with you guys in the comment sections, and I love creating content that you guys love and enjoy. And I really appreciate all you guys for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.